Hello, fellow Mackies. My name is Maritza Hernandez Bravo, the data manager for all things Salesforce. I'm also representing Sonia Hillstock, our data manager for all things Child Plus today. We know that data entry can be tedious and sometimes hard to find time for, but there are huge benefits for you and your program in making data a priority in your daily work. To show you this, we want to talk to you about the data lifecycle and your vital role in it. As shown here, the data lifecycle is what we use to track the child, family, and participants' outcomes of the services we provide and helps us identify any areas of growth so that we can make any needed improvements. This provides us with a clear visual so that we can see where our greatest strengths and deficiencies are. This cycle helps us to stay in compliance with the agency's performance standards and contracts. It also helps us tell the story of our participants out to funders and our greater community. Now, your role in this cycle is so important because it starts and ends with you. As shown here, the cycle starts with the plan and prepare stage. Now, this is where we get clear on what are the standards and contract metrics we need to track for your program. And we work with your team on how to best collect the data. The next step is the data collection here, as you can see in the second step, which is dependent on you entering in the data in our systems. Without these first crucial steps being done, without your help, we cannot move forward in the cycle. After these steps, Sonia and I can process the data, analyze it, store it safely, and then share it with you, your team, and others. That is when your role comes back into play, with here in the Discover and Integrate section. Once we share the data with you and your team, you can integrate any findings to help your team grow and improve to ultimately create a better experience for our participants. With this shared data, we can also help your team stay in compliance to contract metrics and program standards. This data is also shared with funders to be able to expand on resources for your program to help your team. This is why making sure you enter in accurate data is crucial. It really fuels what we can analyze and how your program can grow. We are here to support you in your program's growth through data. As you can see, the cycle starts and ends with you. So thank you for all of the work you do as a vital role in the data lifecycle.